It's being called nature's Botox. Some are even claiming they're putting it in their eyes for better vision, maybe using it to grow out fuller eyebrows, even putting it in your belly button for weight loss. Does this work? Well, before you do any of this, let's talk about castor oil. What's real, what's a myth, and what's actually worth trying. So this is the top selling castor oil on Amazon. It's USDA Certified Organic. It says it will stimulate growth for eyelashes, eyebrows, hair, and it is labeled as a skin moisturizer and hair treatment starter kit. It's also really inexpensive and it arrived at my door within hours. So that's a bonus. But what exactly is castor oil? So before we get into that, I just want to tell you right now, I have nothing on my face. My face is just freshly washed. What I'm going to do is show you the instant results you get from it, and then also talk to you about a 30-day trial and challenge I'm starting and something you might want to try too. But first, let's talk about the benefits. Then let's talk about the dark side of castor oil and what you should never do, what's actually kind of dangerous. So what exactly is castor oil? Well, this is derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries for its medicinal purposes. But then why all of a sudden is it so popular? Well, social media, of course. Let's give credit where credit's due. So let's talk about some of the benefits. You can see I'm applying it to my face right now. And this has been a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. So people are saying this is the natural Botox. It's packed with fatty acids and antioxidants, so it moisturizes the skin, it fights acne, and even reduces inflammation, all while leaving you with a radiant complexion. And then you can put it in your brows and on your lashes as well. So castor oil isn't just for your skin, it also works wonders for your hair. Whether you're dealing with dry scalp, you can put it in your scalp, hair loss, or even split ends. It can go a long way in promoting healthy, luscious locks. So just take, what I like to do is put it on my face, and then all the extra I have, I'm running that through my hair. You can also use it to make DIY face masks, you can make lip masks, and you can do it in countless beauty recipes. So it really does give you the freedom to customize your skincare routine and really fit your needs. But perhaps the most exciting thing about castor oil is its sustainability. Unlike a lot of commercial beauty products that are loaded with harmful chemicals, castor oil is all natural, it's environmentally friendly, and that's a win-win for both you and the planet. Let's talk about the dark side, because there's a dark side to using this. So let's start with eyes. Would you drop it into your eyes for better vision? No, don't do this. Doctors say no, don't do that. If you want to improve your vision, go see an eye doctor, talk to an eye doctor. Now, is it safe around the eye area? Yes, you can put it on your lash line to help grow your lashes longer. So it is safe if it gets in your eyes. But I actually still have some on my hands from putting it on my face and in my hair. And I'll tell you, it is like kind of sticky and goopy. I would not want to drop that into my eyes. No, thank you. I wouldn't want to take the risk of infection or anything like that. Next, let's talk about weight loss. Castor oil is not typically recommended for weight loss. However, it can be taken orally and used as a laxative, but I am sure you can think of a million other ways to lose weight besides taking laxatives. In fact, if you consume it in large amounts, there can be really harmful and adverse effects like nausea, diarrhea, and dehydration. So you definitely don't want that. But what about pouring it in your belly button? Is that safe? Is that effective? Well, it sounds pretty harmless and actually really intriguing, although a little bit messy. Unfortunately, there's no scientific evidence that supports the idea of putting castor oil in your belly button is going to aid in weight loss. It just hasn't been proven. And the hype is really based on people claiming it works. There's one TikToker who said she lost 14 pounds in 7 weeks from applying it to her belly button. But then she also said in the comments that she eliminated refined sugar and processed foods. So she basically overhauled her diet. Very unscientific study right there. I am definitely intrigued. It sounds pretty messy to do it, but I do want to try like putting a little in my belly button for 30 days and seeing what happens. I'm also going to do a 30-day trial of putting it on my face to see how that improves my skin and on my eyebrows as well. So if you want to join me on this challenge, grab this or any other one you want. This one's great because it comes with the extra brushes too, so you can use these to apply it to your brows. Castor oil is a little bit like thick and almost, it's not sticky, but it stays on you for a while. Doing it at night is probably gonna be your best bet, but you can use it during the day as well. So there you have it, the many benefits and things to try, and some things you can skip trying with castor oil. If you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine or simply want to explore the world of natural remedies, I think castor oil is definitely worth a try. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because you're not going to want to miss part 2, and that's where I'm going to give you the results of doing the 30-day trial using this on my face, hair, and we'll update with any results of the belly button as well. See you on the next video.